Ohangla musician Maurine Achieng, popularly known as Lady Maureen, has been bailed out from a Tanzania jail in a joint effort by Radio Ramogi and Viusasa. The artist, whose official name is Maurine Achieng, and her band was arrested for being in Tanzania illegally. Lady Maureen says her misfortunes were occasioned by a promoter who used unscrupulous ways to secure them traveling documents. Royal Media Services, through Radio Ramogi and Viusasa, paid her bail together with 6 of her band members. The other 6 were bailed out by fellow musicians and fans. Lady Maureen is one of the artists contracted by Viusasa.
Ametoa pesa ya hawa watu 6. Sasa isipokuwa time ya court iliisha na leo ni Saturday, kesho ni Sunday, hawangeweza kutolewa. Wanashughulikiwa on Monday watoke wote. Yani namshukuru kabisa.